This is the AI News Flash for June 13th, 4 p.m. UTC. First up, hard drive giant Seagate jumped 9.9% as optimism over AI storage demand swept the stock. The company raised its AI storage growth targets and announced an early redemption of debt. Free cash flow of about $953 million last quarter comfortably covered $161 million in dividends and $642 million in debt paydown. Wall Street is bullish too. JP Morgan lifted its price target from $75 to $920, Bank of America went to $1,000, and Mizuho to $1,090, citing firmer hard drive pricing, expanding margins, and durable AI demand into 2028. As AI data centers generate enormous volumes of data, high-capacity hard drives are riding a structural tailwind for somewhere to store it all. Next, Apple's developer beta of macOS 27 Golden Gate is out, putting the overhauled Siri AI into testers' hands for the first time. The new Siri runs on an architecture built with Google's Gemini models and ships as a standalone app. You summon it from Spotlight with Command Space, and it understands the context of what's on screen, your emails, photos, and calendar, to act on natural language requests. Notably, macOS 27 is Apple Silicon only. Support for Intel-based Macs ended with the previous version. A public beta is expected in July with a full release this fall, so Apple's AI strategy has finally entered the hands-on evaluation phase. Third, consulting giant PwC has flagged a labor shortage in engineering and construction as a hidden risk to the AI economy. The AI boom has made data centers a core real estate asset, but there aren't enough workers to build them. The construction industry needs roughly 499,000 new workers by 2026, with 80% of leaders worried younger people aren't entering the trades, and 72% saying skilled labor shortages are already hurting their operations. PwC argues that current U.S. immigration policy is thinning the labor supply even further. As a remedy, it points to prefabrication, modular construction, and robotics as keys to closing the labor gap. Fourth, Europe is reacting sharply, calling it a wake-up call, after Anthropic suspended access to its Fable 5 and Mythos 5 models. Anthropic cut off all customers after the U.S. Commerce Department fully barred foreign nationals from using the models, and the move has stoked European anxiety about lacking AI sovereignty of its own. Industry opinion is split between those who see a reasonable national security step and those who call it disproportionate to pull commercial models used by hundreds of millions. As the first export control aimed at specific AI models themselves, it looks set to shake up national AI strategies worldwide. That's all for this AI News Flash.